A simple PC tip I bet you didn't know. In this video, I will guide you through how you can fix slow PC after startup. Click on the Start button. Type Task Manager. Click on Task Manager. When Task Manager opens, go to the Startup tab and click on it. Now, what you have to do here is to disable every program here. They slow down PC after startup because when your PC powers up, they always try to run on background and then slows down the performance of your PC. To do that, you can right-click and select the Disable option. After doing just that, trust me, your PC runs smooth after startup. If this was helpful, why not give us a thumbs up, subscribe and leave a comment below.